We're really excited. We're at this point last year, we were just cleaning toilets and didn't know what the heck was going on. So, to be a year in now and see the momentum building and feel like a structured business and everything we've learned, and realizing that all the moments that were difficult have gotten us to this point, we're able to financially provide for our family now, which for the first 11 months, it was just costing us a lot of money. So, now we're a profitable venture, which is great. And it's just, we actually just love it. We really just love doing this. So
that's so cool to hear.
That's like a tip that that's nothing. There's been lots and lots of wins, but just very proud of ourselves at this point.
That's so cool to hear.
And to be recognized, for people to recognize that we are different than the other cleaning companies out there with our systems, which we never would have had if we didn't purchase your course. We never would have had the multicolored microfiber cloths and the top down, left, right, all that good stuff. People love to hear it. So thank you for that, because it is what stands out.